Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. What a situation with Major Hype and his former ex-lover that blew up on social media, sending it into a frenzy this week. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this story to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Wow. Wow. Videos on top of videos making rounds on social media and internet sites as it relates to the former lover of Major Hype. Now, I've not seen any of these videos personally per se, but I've listened to what people in the streets are saying, and they're having a wow of a moment based on these videos that made rounds on social media platform right across the world. Now, what happened in this situation is very sad and it's very alarming as well, as to allegations being made by both party in the incident that occurred between Major Hype and his ex-lover. But this is just one of those moments which everyone just need to reflect on life and just look on what is going on around us. Many people are faced with similar relationship problems, and it's just because these are actually two people that decided that they would make the public aware of what was going on. That's why it has blown up so much on social media. And as you know, Major Hype is actually a popular figure doing his comedic things, and this has just sent the whole internet into a frenzy after videos and text messages and maybe even photos were leaked online by someone that would have had access to these very vital information for the female. Now, she started a GoFundMe page on Sunday, with the date is actually at about 2000 and odd US dollars. It became stagnant after these videos began to make rounds on social media. The actual target at first was actually 50,000 US dollars. And if you would have read what the description of the actual GoFundMe page said, it was to press charges against Major Hype. Whether or not that will materialize still remains a mystery to many, after there have been many speculation and misconception going on online as it relates to when these videos were actually recorded. But the female herself has stated that these videos were recorded not when she and Major Hype had actually had a relationship. However, many are doubting her claims based on text messages and also other things that have been making rounds on social media. But all I can say and just implore people is that social media is not the place where you would hang your dirty laundries. So if you're having problems in your relationship, taking it to social media is not the best possible option unless you can accept the backlash, the down talk, and what's to come from you posting your personal life on social media. Social media is like the judge, the jury, and the executor. And you have to be able to deal with different aspects and different opinions from different people from all walks of life, from all race, and from different nationalities. Right? So you have to brace yourself for this. Now, this is one of the most talked about social media story in a long while. And maybe it would have faded away, but when these videos began to surface online, it triggered a outroar of support for the whole entire movement that was going on. And this is actually the most trending story right now in the Caribbean, and actually on the larger scale as well as it relates to local issues going on. But what transpired here is a very sad situation, and it's very sad to see what's really happening even after this because I know that this might have caused some psychological damage either to both party with those videos being released online. And I just hope that they just seek the requisite help that they do need in order to pull through this one, because this is not going to be easy for both of them in order to manifest themselves and actually recuperate from this and set their life back on that positive part. But all I can say is that just keep your life off social media, and I'm just hoping that they do follow suit on this and just try to protect their own moral standings right now in society, because some has been just all over the place and just doing all sorts of things after these videos made around on social media. And when we look on what happened as it relates to these videos and how they are being released simultaneously, it's a situation which really needs to be dealt with properly, and damage control need to be done, because this is actually very damaging to herself and actually her family and actually her friends, and those that would have been in close association with her would have seen her come across these videos at one point in another. You would actually have heard that she have a son, and her son is going to be growing up and becoming an adult very soon, and he will have these to deal with as well. Many people have been stating as well, based on the fact that these are out there already, they are being circulated right across social media. The fact is that she just needs to just launch her OnlyFans page where she can benefit profitable from these videos that are making rounds on social media. Whether or not she will listen to what people are saying in regards to that, that still remains a mystery, or that is depending on how she feel about herself or her own personal moral standing as it relates to having an OnlyFans page. But all I can say is that this situation is very sad. And it's very sad to see how it propelled out of control on social media in such a short space of time. And people right now, they were bashing Major Hype tremendously last week. And now the tables have turned after these videos made rounds on social media. Now the female is actually the other one on the other side, getting the bashing after these videos made rounds on social media. People have begun to speculate that these videos might have been taken whenever she was with Major Hype, and even the text messages that are being circulated on social media just coincide what is going actually on in their relationship. And they had a relationship that was going on for some time, and somewhere along the line it became a bit abusive according to the female, and she had to step away from the situation. She would have shown some pictures online of her eyes and different parts of her body that she taken, and she would have shown those images online just in order to win back that love and that acceptance from the local and international public. However, these videos have totally damaged that, and she is actually doing damage control now in order to see how best she can get herself back on her feet. But as it relates to Major Hype, I've seen him online a number of times afterwards, and he just remained a calm composure. He did not really speak about the issue. He was just playing his music and actually just doing his thing and just keeping that calm personality that many would have known him for. However, we'll try our very best to just follow this story, try our very best to keep you up to date with the latest, and we're just hoping that there is not any more videos out there that would make rounds on social media, because these are the videos that are just triggering the whole entire development of this and let it keep on trending and talk about for a while. So this has been actually the second week, and it's actually the most talked about social media story to date. So we're just hoping that both of them just find that level and that comfort within themselves, and just try to find a way in which they can deal with the situation and deal with it in the best possible way for the both of them. Just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story, and just let me know if you're in support of either party. Peace out. Bless.